Hi guys, in this video, all you would need is warm water, baking soda, and apple cider vinegar, all mixed into one. Hey guys, you already know by now that I'm doing the apple cider vinegar rinse, and I completely failed at recording. I thought I was recording, and turns out I wasn't, so this is basically how I'm looking, and I missed the whole beginning. But I'm gonna do it again, so this is my first go around. I'm gonna do it again just to make sure it's really detox. I'm about to take my hair out and show you how the water looks. So after my first rinse, that is how the water is looking. 2 years of never doing a rinse. Wow. So I'm going to do it one more time, and then I'm going to wash my hair. This time around, I'm going to show you how I did it. So once you have your baking soda and your warm water mixed together, you're going to place your hair in the bowl. And I tried to get my hair fully submerged so I can get all of my hair detoxed. Once all of your hair is in, you're going to pour in your apple cider vinegar. Then everything's going to bubble and start to break down. Me personally, I like to agitate my hair. So I move it around, I squeeze it, I scratch my scalp. I pretty much just agitate it so the detox can pretty much get deeper and deeper and work much better. Every time I move it, it bubbled even more. Once you're done agitating your hair, you can let it soak for about 15 minutes. That way it can continue working and breaking down any dirt and grime that you have in your locks. Me personally, I forgot to set a timer, so I just laid there as long as I could. At the end of this whole process, my neck hurt and I had a pretty bad headache. So if you have a better way of doing it where you're not in pain, I definitely recommend doing that. Me personally, I probably will go to a salon next time because my neck really hurted when I was done this whole process. But that's all you have to do. Just soak your hair and then rinse it out once you're done and then wash it thoroughly. And just as a helpful tip, you can use a mirror to look through to make sure your hair is fully submerged and just to monitor it. Sometimes people do a blind and all of the locks aren't submerged, and sometimes you might miss something. So I was actually using a mirror to help myself see how my whole process was going. So that's a helpful tip for whenever you decide to do yours. I'm about to wash my hair and then I'm going to moisturize. When I'm done that, I'm going to get back on camera and let you guys know how my experience was and how my hair feels. All right. Okay, well, in conclusion, my hair is drying right now, but it feels very clean. My hair feels extremely clean right now. For me, to be totally honest, I have a really bad headache right now and my neck hurts because my hair is really heavy when it's wet. Like, I don't know if I'm the only one who experiences it, but honestly, like, I would just go to a salon. Like, go to a salon, have them do it, and not have to worry about having a headache when you're done and having neck pain and everything like that. But I washed my hair in the shower. When I was done washing my hair, it definitely felt a lot lighter than usual. So I'm gonna let my hair dry for a little while, and then I'm going to moisturize, and then I'm gonna come back and show you my hair. All right, so my hair is completely washed and moisturized, and it feels good. It actually feels a lot lighter. Let me see. It feels a lot lighter, and it's moisturized, and it smells great, and I'm actually really happy with the results from the ACV rinse. My hair feels, it looks longer too. My hair looks longer, it feels lighter, it feels good. It's like definitely more absorbent to my products and my oils and everything, and I'm really happy with it. All right, so I'm going to give you a 360. I haven't did this in a while. Length check. Where am I at? I've still got a long way to go. My hair feels amazing. The ACV rinse went well. I'm actually really happy with the results. My hair feels good. Like, it even is like drying faster. Actually, it's drying faster. So my water was filthy, and that was after 2 years. So I'm gonna do some research on how often I should do it. I don't know, but I'm gonna let my hair breathe, because you guys know that I had my hair in a style for a while. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it. But right now I'm just gonna let my hair breathe. I'm gonna let my roots breathe. I'm gonna just embrace it. I'm not gonna retwist it for a while. My hair feels good, smells good, and yeah, I'm just gonna straight low maintenance. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video requests, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm always ready to answer your questions. I'm always doing Q&As. So if you have any questions about today's video, please leave them in the comments below. And I'm going to catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace, love, and light. Mwah.